Alright, just arrived in Cabarita Beach with the crew. We got Erwan, he's been taking some of my photos recently. Check him out. And we got Livin' for Sun, that's your Instagram account, right? Yeah. So a couple from we decided to take them down as well. They've actually been here before, I haven't been here before. So literally only 30 minutes from the Gold Coast, but I'm new here. So Jason and Beth are just setting up a towel. We're gonna have a bit of a beach day. Sun protection is very important in Australia. You should always protect yourself with sunscreen if your skin is going to be exposed. So these guys know it, they're pros, they're going to be here for a while. So look who decided to show up. So we got Tahnee here and Rahni, right? Tahnee and Rahni. Sounds like a dream team right there.
We're related.
Yeah? A little bit. A little bit. Alright, just rocked up to Brisbane with Erwan. First, the plan is to get some vegan food. Apparently there's a vegan festival here in West End, so we're gonna get some food. And then I've got a lingerie shoot to do. Hello to you too. And hopefully a shoot with the man Abs, so to film some urban stuff in the city. Might get in a bit of rooftoping as well, so hopefully let's hit it. Funny situation, this guy just came around and asked why I was filming.
Nice, what you're photographing for, man? Is it just your own personal?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Cool, excellent.
What are you filming for? Is it just personal? And I'm like, yeah. And he just like leaves. It's just so random. Go follow up. Alright, great shoot with Tanya. Not pronouncing that right. Cool girl. Cool little lingerie company she's starting up there. I'm in a rush, got to pick up Erwan and then straight to see Ab. We got about an hour and a half of daylight left, so we're gonna move quick. So we made it just in time. We got a little bit of light here at the train station near AB's house. Erwan's up there trying to get a photo of me with a low shutter. He's really creative with his photographs.
While the train comes by.
Yeah. AB's got to shoot off, but definitely check out his stuff on Instagram. It'll all be linked up below. Hopefully we can shoot again, man.
Yeah, man, for sure. Thanks for having me, man.
Yeah, no worries.
We're both filming. Dude, we did the same though.
Alright, so Cristian just arrived. If you haven't seen him before, he's a funny guy, also vlogger on YouTube and Facebook. He's just giving his audience a bit of a tour of the hotel room, which is surprisingly big. They've got a big as fuck bathroom in here.
Damn, bro. Holy crap, man.
Yeah.
This is bigger than my room at home.
You can like run laps in this bathroom. Look at this shit.
Yeah, no, this is nice, dude. I feel very rich right now.
Mm-hmm. It's
cool,
a nice
bro.
hotel.
Yeah.
Anyways, later in the day now, we're all showered up. We're gonna head out tonight. and experience a night out in Brisbane.
This is really nice.
Makes it look like we're fucking gays or some shit.
No, we're just good friends. We're buddies. We're buddies.
What are those glasses, man?
Oh, you never heard of these?
What are they?
Bro, these are Pussy Magnet Glasses 2.0. This is next level, bro. Like, right. I'm telling you, that's what I'm gonna wear them to the club, man. The girls, as soon as they just right. You guys see my outfit, the shirt just interacts with it so well. They blend together.
Yeah, he's a bit of an artist, Cristian.
It's called sophistication.
Yeah, something that I could learn myself, you know.
Bro.
Yeah.
Check out the size of this robe though on me, like. I look like a ghost, bro.
Anyways, it's my last full weekend in Brisbane for the year, so we're gonna try and make tonight a good night. Hopefully meeting up with some other YouTubers that we were catching up with earlier in the day, and they're pretty crazy guys. So hopefully, pretty interesting night. Yeah, let's hit the town, man.
Oh, damn, my camera. Yo, wait till I put on my earrings, bro.
Oh, God. Hey, guys. So Cristian calls these glasses the pussy magnet glasses. I don't know, do they work on me? Do they work on me, Cristian? Do they only work on you, or do they work on somebody like me too?
Everyone.
Alright, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Alright, day after today.
Chris didn't believe in the pussy magnet. Oh, sorry. Chris did not believe in the pussy magnet glasses until today.
And until yesterday when you started getting some attention.
Dude, the pussy just started coming like no other. It was weird as fuck, dude. This is the first time I wear them. I'm like, what? Like, it's working.
Anyways, we're just ending the weekend here at Kiss the Berry. Having some acai bowls. Super gay. After sharing a hotel room together.
We had a good time. I lost my phone.
Yeah, unfortunately, Cristian went a little hard last night and lost his phone.
God damn it.
He lost his mind as well.
I lost my phone and the other side of my glasses. I'm
Yeah.
worried about the other side of my glasses and my phone, but it's all good.
Alright, so I'm wrapping it up there, guys. I'm heading off to Bali in a week from now, so probably next time you see me will be from there. Thanks for watching. Go check out Cristian's channel. Lots of funny, cool content, and I think I'll be in your Brisbane video, right?
No, dude, no.
He'll just cut out all the parts of me.
No, Chris is not gonna be there. Don't watch it, guys. Like, Chris is not gonna be there. Like, actually, go watch it because Chris is not gonna be there. Like, hey, follow me on fucking, what do you call it? MySpace. MySpace is happening right now.
It's having a comeback.
Oh, did I just fuck up my acai bowl or did I just fuck up my acai bowl?
No, that's how you do it.
Yeah, okay.
It looks beautiful for a second and then you mess it all up.
Oh shit, I didn't record my part though. Oh, it's right here. Okay, no, it's all good.
Alright, see you guys. Tahnee is teaching Jason how to look sexy on photo. Estamos aquí a Brisbane Powerhouse. Cristian.
Ya tú sabes, papi. Sígame, Cristian Rodríguez, a tu servicio.